Welcome to our class for today. How are you today, Antu? How are you happy today?
Yeah.
Yes, wow, that's very good to know. Now, are you ready for our new lesson for today?
Mm, yes.
Yes, okay. So let's start our lesson for today, Antu. So we have a new lesson for today. So it is all about I love animals. Yes, let's say I love
Love
animals.
animal.
Very good. So, Antu, do you love animals? Yes or no?
Bạn có yêu động vật không?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow. What is your favorite animal?
Bạn thích loài động vật nào nhất?
What is your favorite Do you want cat,
Hamster.
hamster? Oh wow, hamster. Wow, that's very good to know. And do you have a hamster?
Yes.
Yes. Do you have a hamster?
Nuôi chuột hamster không?
Yes or no?
No.
Oh no. But but you like hamsters? You like hamsters?
Nhưng bạn thích chuột hamster à?
Oh, wow,
Chuột.
that's very good. So
Chuột
for
lắm
today's
đó.
what?
Chuột lắm.
Totlam?
Yes.
What's it in English? In
English.
in English?
Bằng tiếng Anh.
Uh,
It's okay. Okay, so are you ready to learn more about animals?
um,
Yes. Are you ready to learn our lesson for today? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so we will start our lesson and two. So for our lesson, so we have here animals. So let's talk about those. So first, we will learn some new words. So now, let's take a look at this animal. What animal is this?
Đây là con vật gì?
What animal is this?
gà. Gà.
Ga. What is ga in English? It is, we call it as
Chicken.
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 very, very good. One more time. Let's say chicken.
Chicken.
Very good. Let's say it 3 times. Chicken, chicken, chicken.
Chicken.
Very good. Good job. So, what animal is this, Antu? What animal is this? This is
Uh, chicken.
very good. Wow, good job. Next.
Chicken.
Oh, this is chicken. How about our next animal? Very good. This is
Cat. Cat.
cat. Good job. Let's say it 3 times. Cat, cat, cat.
Cat.
Good job. Do you like cats? Do you like cats? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you have a cat?
Mm,
Bạn có nuôi mèo không?
Do you have a cat?
No.
No. Next one. So what animal is this again, Anju? This is what
Mm.
animal? This is a cat. Very good. Good job.
cat,
Next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this?
Dog. Dog. Dog.
Dog. Very good. This
dog,
is a
Dog.
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 Do you like dogs? Yes or no?
Bạn có thích chó không?
Yeah. No, no,
Yeah.
no, no.
No, no, you don't like dogs? No, no, no. Okay, so very good. This is, what animal is this? We call it dog.
Dog.
Very good. Good job. Next. What animal is this?
Tree.
It's
Bee.
very good. One more time. Let's say
bird, bird,
Bird.
bird,
very good. Bird.
Mother.
Good job. Now, what animal is this, Antu? This is a
Bird.
bird. Very good. And what color? What color is the bird? What color?
Con chim này màu gì?
Blue.
Blue. Very good. It is blue. How about this one? Do you know what animal is this?
Bird.
This is, let's listen.
horse, horse,
Horse.
Very good. One more time. Let's say horse, horse, horse.
Bird. Bird. Bird.
One more time. Horse.
Horse.
Very good. Now, what animal is this, Antu?
Horse.
Good job. Very good. Next, let's go to our next animal.
Bird. Tree.
What animal is this? Let's listen.
sheep, sheep,
Sheep. Sheep.
Very good. One more time. Let's say 3 times. Sheep, sheep, sheep.
Sheep. Sheep. Sheep.
Good
sheep,
job. Again, what animal is this?
Sheep. Sheep. Sheep.
Very good. Next, what animal is this?
Bird. Duck. Duck.
Duck. Very good.
duck, duck,
Duck. Duck. Duck.
Very, very good. Wow, what color is the duck?
Con vịt này màu gì?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. It's yellow. How about our next animal? What animal is this? This is a
A
cow,
cock.
cow, cow,
Cock.
cow.
Cock.
One more time. Let's say cow.
Ngao.
Cow.
Ngao.
Cow.
Cow.
Yes, very good. One more time. What animal is this, Antu?
Cow.
Very good. And what color is the cow? What color? What color is it?
Con bò này màu gì?
Big.
Pink. What color is this? Black
Lá.
and
What?
white.
White.
Very good. Next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this?
Deer. Horse.
Let's listen to it. What animal?
fish, fish, fish,
Foot.
Fish.
Tit.
One more time. Let's say fish.
Feet.
Very good. One more time. Let's say 3 times. Fish, fish, fish.
Fish, fish, fish.
Very good. So what animal is this, Antu? It's a fish.
Fish.
Very good. Now, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this?
Deer.
Let's listen.
Frog.
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 Very good. One more time. Let's say frog.
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 Very good. One more time. Frog.
Frog.
Perfect. So what animal is this, Antu? What
Frog.
animal? Frog. Very good. Next. Let's go to our next animal. What animal is this? Let's listen.
Mouse.
Oh.
Mouse.
Oh.
Mouse.
Okay, one more time. Let's say mouse.
Mouse.
Very good. One more time. Mouse, mouse, mouse.
Mouse. Mouse. Mouse.
Very good. Wow, good job. Next animal.
Mouse.
Let's go to our next animal. What animal is this? It's a
Goat. Goat.
Go. Go.
very good. One more time. Let's say goat.
Go. Go.
Very good. So what animal is this, Antu? This is a goat.
Go.
Goat, goat, goat.
Go. Go. Go.
Very good. Now let's answer an activity. So now you will choose one number from 1 to 15. So can you choose one number from 1 to 15?
Hãy chọn một số từ 1 đến 15.
What number?
Số nào?
What number? Do you like number 1? Yes or no? Let's go with number 1. Okay, let's go with this animal. What animal is this?
Bird. Good. Good. Good.
This is a
Tree.
chicken.
Chicken.
Very good. One more time. What animal is this?
Chicken.
It's chicken. Very good. Next.
Chicken.
Very good. Next. Number 2. What animal? Cat. Very good. How about this one? What animal? Ma, ma, m- mouse.
Mouse.
Very good. Next. What animal is this?
Good.
It's a horse. Horse. Very good. And next, how about this one? What animal is this?
Frog.
Frog. Frog. Frog.
Wow.
Good job. How about oh, you have a point. How about this one? This. What animal?
No.
Dog. Very good. Good job. Next. This. What
This
animal? This is a
Dog.
goat. Very good. Good job. Next. Oh, we have that one. This one. What animal is this?
Corn.
Fish.
Corn.
Fish.
Tree.
Fish.
Beep.
Fish.
Beat.
Very good. Next. Let's go with this one. What
Good.
animal? This is sheep. Sheep.
Beep.
Sheep. Sheep.
Beep.
Very good. Next. Oh, what animal is this, Antu? It's a d d duck.
Oh.
Very good. Next, what is this? What animal? It's a
A drum. Calm.
cow.
Calm.
Very good. Next. Let's go with the next one.
Good. I don't
Okay. Let's go with this one. So we will
think
write.
what the doors are we to go to the bottom.
So we will write some words here. Okay, let me just reply to the student.
Dog.
Yes, very good. This is a cat. Okay, so let's go with this first animal. What
Dog.
animal is this, Antu?
Dom.
Dog? Is it a dog? Is it is a ca ca
Cat.
cat?
Cat.
Very good. Cat. How about number two? What animal is the animal that can fly?
Fly.
What animal is this?
Fly.
This is a
Fly. Fly.
bird.
Girl.
Very good. Next, let's go to number three. Okay. So what animal is this? Let's look at the picture. This is a sheep.
Chick.
Sheep. Just one more time. Let's say sheep.
Sheep.
Very good. Next. Okay, next, let's go with number four. What animal is this, Antu?
Cow.
This is a
Cow.
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 Very good. One more time, let's say cow.
Cow.
Good,
Cow.
very good. Wow, good job. So next, let's go to number five. So this is where's number five? This one. What animal is this?
A whitey.
It's a ha ha
A
horse.
ho ho hoy.
One more time. Let's say horse.
Hoy. Ho hoy.
Ha ha horse.
Ho hord.
Very good. Next, let's go with next animal number six. What animal is this? It's a g goat.
Goat.
Very good. One more time. Goat.
Goat.
Very good. Good job. Next, let's go with number seven. How about this tiny animal? This yellow animal. What animal is this? The duck.
The dog.
Very good. One more time. What animal is this? Number 6. The
Uh,
the duck.
duck.
Good job. Next, let's go with number 8. Okay, let's take a look at this animal. This one. What animal is this? This. This is a chicken.
Car.
One more time. Let's say chicken.
Chicken.
Very good. Very good. Good job. One more time. What animal is this, Ansu? This is a chicken.
Chicken.
Very good. Next, let's go with our next animal. What animal is this? This
Chick.
one. Let's look at the picture. This is a fish.
Chick.
Fish.
Papa. Pig.
One more time. Fish.
Pig.
Fish.
Papa. Pig.
Very good. Next, let's go with this animal, this tiny animal. What animal is this? This one. Can you see the animal? This is a mouse.
Mouse.
Very good. How about our next animal? This one, the frog that jumps. This, the animal,
Is
it's a,
uh
this one. Let's take a look at this animal. This is a frog.
for wow.
Very good. Next, number 12. Our last animal. What animal is the one sleeping? Let's look at the picture. What animal is this? This is a the dog.
The
Dog. Very good. This is a dog. Good job in our activity. So now let's go with our structures, sentence structures. So let's learn about this sentence. So where is the frog? So we will use this word when we are finding something.
Con ếch đâu rồi?
Where? So let's read. Where's?
Sure.
Yes, let's read the sentence. Where's the frog?
Well, the fox.
Here's the frog.
Here the dog.
Very good. Next, what colors the horse? Let's say, what colors? What colors? Let's say, what colors the horse?
The
So let's say it's brown.
sleep.
It's brown.
Wow.
Okay, very good. So let's practice this one. Can you tell teacher where's the cat? Where is the cat? Where's the cat, Ansu?
Con mèo đâu rồi?
Is is this the cat? Yes or no? Is this the cat? Yes or no?
Đây có phải là con mèo không?
Yes, very good. So now let's say, here's the cat. Let's say, here's
Yeah.
the cat.
The cat.
Very good. So next, where's the bird? Is this the bird, Ansu? Is this the bird? Yes or no?
Đây có phải là con chim đó không?
Is this the bird?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So now let's say, here's the bird.
The bird.
One more time. Here's the bird.
bird.
Very good. Now, let's find where's the sheep. Is this the sheep? Yes or no? Is this the sheep?
Đây có phải là con cừu không?
Is this the sheep? Yes or no? This one. It's the sheep. So so now let's say, here's the sheep. Here's the sheep.
And the sheep.
Very good. Good job. Next, where's the horse?
Without the word.
One more time. Let's say, where's the
Without the word.
horse?
Car.
Ha ha, horse.
Hoy.
Very good. Now let's look at the circle. Is this the horse? Yes or no?
Đây có phải là con ngựa không?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. So now let's say, here's the here's the
The
here's the that's it. Here's the horse. Ha ha, horse.
hoy.
Here's the horse.
Mm,
So this one is a horse. Very good. So next, where is the dog? Where's the dog? Is this the dog? Is this the dog? Look at the circle. Is this a dog?
mm,
Hmm.
Bạn nhìn vào vòng tròn này không? Đây có phải là con chó không?
Yes
Yeah.
or no? Yes, very good. So let's see. Here's the dog.
Okay.
Let's say, here's the dog.
Dog.
Here's
Yeah.
the dog.
Yeah, the dog.
Very good. Now, where is the fish? Where's the fish? Look at,
Say.
very good. Look at the circle. Is this the fish?
Bạn nhìn vào vòng tròn kia. Đây có phải là con cá không?
Yes.
Yes, good job. So now let's say, here's the
Yes.
fish. Here's the
Uh,
fish.
Fruit.
Very good. So now Antu, so we will end our lesson here. So thank you very much for active participation today. So I can see that you really know these animals. So you cannot just express them into English. So don't worry. So we will practice it more. So thank you so much, Antu, and bye-bye. See you again soon.
Sử dụng OEM người dùng gửi dành bức ánh xoài cũng như là định hướng thu hút các nguồn vốn vay trong năm
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, good evening, Bangwa.
mà nó sử dụng vốn vay
It's
nước ngoài
nice. It's nice. It's nice to see you again. Wow. How are you today?
I'm happy.
I'm happy. Very good. Did you already eat?
It's
Did you,
very
you already eat dinner?
yes.
Yes. Wow, that's perfect. So now, are you ready to continue our lesson for today? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So we will continue our lesson last time that we did not finish. So this one is, so we left all about plural. So do you still remember what plural is?
Was uh a thing and us the words.
Very good. So when we say plural, so we will add s at the end of the word. So for example, this one, pen, pens. So it has S. So
S
very good. So can you read this one?
books.
Ball,
A book.
balls.
People.
Very good. Good job. So now let's have a practice. If you still remember how we will make a word into plural. So let's go with this first word. So what is the plural of butterfly?
Two butterflies.
Very good. So it will be butterflies. So for this one, so as we can see, so there is Y at the end of the word. So for that one, so we make this plural. So
Um,
we, yes, so if we see a letter Y at the end of the word, so it will be changed as ES, not only S. So this one or IES. So can you listen to this one?
Nếu
yes.
từ kết thúc bằng chữ y, ta đổi EIES, ví dụ butterfly, butterfly.
Yes, so that is it. So if we see a letter Y, this one, letter Y at the end. So we will not only add letter S, but we will add IES to make it plural. So let's have an example of other words that ends with letter Y. So let's have words.
Umbrellas.
Yes, very good. It's umbrella. So let's have another word with letter I. Okay. So this one. What is the plural form of berry?
Yes.
What is the plural of berry? Berry.
A berry.
What
A
we will add? We will add
berry.
what we will.
Berries.
Very good. So is it only S? Is it like this one or this one? Which one is correct? This one, the first one, or this one?
Two.
Which one is correct?
Right.
This one or this one?
It's
One or two?
two.
Two. Very good. So for the words ending with letter Y, so we will add IES. Wow, good job. So good job. So next, let's go to our second word. What is the plural of umbrella?
Umbrellas.
Very good. Umbrellas. How about this one?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo? With
One kangaroo.
one kangaroo. What is the plural? When we have two kangaroo, what we will add?
It's one kangaroo.
Yes. How what if we have two?
No S. No S.
No S, yes. But what if we have two kangaroo? What we will use?
E.
We will add
Kangaroos.
yes. So if we go to plural form of kangaroo, we will use kangaroos. How about jar? What is the plural of jar?
Giraffes.
Jars. Very good. How about house?
House.
What is the plural form?
House. Two.
House only? House only? With
House.
with S or without S?
Window S.
Without S?
S. S.
With
S.
S. Very good. So remember, Dankwa, so when we making a word into plural, so we will add S. Houses, jars with S. So it is, or these are the plural form. So with S. How about flower?
Flowers.
Flowers, very good. So let's try some other words. So this one. So let's have this one. The word father. Father. What is the plural form of father?
Fathers.
Fathers. Very good. Fathers. So let's put fathers. How about the word tree? This one. Tree.
Three.
What is the plural of tree?
Trees.
Trees. Very good. Trees. How about the word life? Let's have this one. What is the plural word or plural of hero?
Heroes.
Heroes. And is it this one? Is this one is correct or this one?
Two.
Two, very good. So for this one, we have another form of plural. So if we have an O, letter O at the end of the word, so we will add not only S, but also letter E. So heroes. So very good. So good job. So good job in completing this lesson. But before we end this lesson, so let's make the sentences correct. So when we are making a sentence, so we use a big letter in front, like this one, for example. This one, Dangwa, is this a small letter or a big letter?
Uh, Big letter.
This one?
Small letter.
Yes. What letter is this?
This at the piece. At
Small
the
letter. Very good. What letter is this one? What letter?
small letter.
Letter. Small
Letter
letter.
small. Letter small.
I. Very good. This is letter I. So this one. If I make it like this, is this correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So when we are making a sentence, so we will make the first letter big. Okay. Okay, so let's try sentence number 2. So can you read this one first?
We is small letter.
Yes, very good. So let's read the sentence first. We run.
We run at the peak.
Very good. So now, what will be our sentence
Big
here? What we will change?
small letter.
Small letter. So we will make it a big letter. Big letter what?
Small letter W.
Yes, this is a small letter W. And if we write the sentence correctly, so what we will do?
Mm,
We will write a big letter or a small letter?
Small letter.
If we correct the sentence, this sentence is not correct. So how we will be correcting the sentence?
Mm,
We
we
will make it
Mm.
as,
adjective.
yes, so we will make it as big letter what?
The adjective.
W, big letter W. So when we are making a sentence, so we will make the first letter big. So this one is a small letter W. This one is, what is this? Is this big or small?
The W. Big letter.
Big letter W. Very good. So now let's go with our third sentence. So can you read this sentence?
He is at the beach.
He eats at the beach. Very good. He eats at the beach. So now, what we will do to correct this sentence?
Is small letter. Is a big letter.
Very good. What is the letter? Big letter?
Big letter. Has.
H. Very good. One more time. Let's say H.
It.
Very good. So now let's read again the sentence.
Is at the beach.
Very good. So now let's go to number 4. So can you read number 4?
They is a small letter.
Very good. They is small letters. So what we will do to make it correct? We will change
C.
small letter. What is the small letter here? Small letter,
The G is a big letter.
big letter. Very good. So now let's read the sentence.
David is still at the beach.
Very good. So one more time. Let's read this word. Let's say find.
Fight.
Shells.
Dogs.
Okay, one more time. Let's say shells.
Cells.
Very good. Good job. So good job in completing this activity. So now, can you make a sentence about your experience in the beach? Can you make a sentence?
Hãy viết một câu về trải nghiệm của bạn ở bãi biển.
They me is at the beach. Go to
Ver-
go at go to beach.
Very good. So can you read the sentence?
I go to the beach.
I go to the beach. Very good. What do you do at the beach, Dangwa?
Bạn làm gì ở bãi biển?
I is at the beach.
Wow, I eat at the beach. Wow, very
And
good.
and swim
I swim. I swim at the
at the beach.
beach. Very good. Okay, so good job. Wow, good job in making the sentence. So we are now finished in this lesson material. So now let's have our new lesson for today. So let me just open our new lesson. So this will be our new lesson. Okay. So can you see? Can you see the presentation? Can you see it?
I could.
Very good. So for this one, so our next lesson is all about a cold. What is our lesson? A cold.
I
day.
could.
Very good. One more time, let's say a
A
cold
a cold
day. Very good. So now, when we say cold day, so it means that the
sweet.
sweet, yes. So when we say cold, so the air
The air feels very cool, and you may need a jacket or so breathe.
Very good. Okay, so let's read these words again. So let's say might,
Might,
sweater.
sweater,
Very good. So this will be our lesson for today. So it is about cold day. So when we say a cold day, so the air feels very cold. So we need to wear a jacket. So for this one, teacher has a question. So do you wear a jacket when it is cold? Yes or no?
Bạn có mặc áo khoác khi trời lạnh không?
yes.
Yes. Wow, very good. And what color is your jacket?
Jacket in my jacket is a color is
What color? Color blue, color green, color black,
black,
black, blue?
blue,
Wow, your jacket is color blue. So that is correct. Very good. Because we need jackets because in a cold day, so it is very cold. So we might catch a cold. Now, let's go to our warm up video. So let's watch a warm up video.
Time is here. Winter time is here. Winter time is here. Winter time is here. Icy toes, chilly nose. Winter time is here. My teeth chatter. What's the matter? Winter time is here. Oh, icy toes, chilly nose. Winter time is here. My teeth chatter. What's the matter? Winter time is here.
Okay, so that will be for our warm up video. So now, Dankwa, what season, what season did you saw in the video? What is it called?
Bạn đã thấy mùa nào trong video đó?
uh,
It
uh,
is
snow, winter,
very good, winter. So when we say winter, is it like this? It is like this. So it has snow. So
snow,
the snow, very good. So it has snow and the environment feels very, very, very
is very cool.
cold. Very good. So now let's learn some new words here. Let's go with our first picture. So what do we call the thing in the
Tree,
picture?
tree,
Tree. Very good. This is a tree. How about this one? What do we call this?
is
We call this as
cat,
ma-
male, male,
male. One more time. Let's say male.
meow,
Male.
mare,
Very good. So let's say the word three times. So male, male, male,
meow, meow, male,
male. Okay, so let's teacher will ask you the question again. So what is this?
male,
Male. Very good. How about this one? Our next picture. What is this?
coffee,
This is a coffee. Very good. But in this picture, so this is
chocolate, chocolate,
chocolate. Okay, one more time. Let's say chocolate.
chocolate,
Very good. So for this one, so we will, when we pronounce chocolate, so we will remove the letter O. So it will sound like chocolate.
chocolate,
Very good. So next, let's go with our next picture. What do we call this one? We call this as
ah,
air.
air,
Air. One more time. What is this?
air,
Air. Very good. One more time. Air.
Air.
Perfect. So when we say air, so it is what we see or what we feel. So this is the wind that we feel. That is why we are cold. So next, let's go with this one. What do we call this?
Is
Starts with letter F. This is
fancy
very good. One more time, let's say fence.
fence.
Good job. Now let's take a look with our next picture. What is the girl feeling?
Cool.
Cold. Very good. So our word here is cold. The girl is feeling cold. How about this one? What do we call this?
Car.
Car. Very good. Good job. So now let's learn more about of this word. So let's go with our next page. Okay, can you read our sentence?
The air feels cool today.
Very good. So now let's focus on this word. Let's say air.
Air.
One more time, air.
Air.
Good job. So can you read the sentence once again?
The air feel cool today.
Very good. Good job. So now let's have our question here. So what season is this, Dangwa? What season?
Đây là mùa gì?
It,
Air is winter.
very good. It's winter. What? Why? Why do you know that it is winter?
It is snow.
Very good. Good job. Because there is snow. Good job. So when it is winter, so we will see a lot of snow in the or in many places. So good job. So next, let's go to our next sentence.
Car feels cool today.
Very good. The car feel cold today. So let's take a look at the child. So let's have this question. So did the boy touch the car? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Why do you know?
Why is because why is is a cat. Is a
Ver-
car.
Very good. And did the boy touch the car? Did he touch the car?
Into
Bé có chạm vào xe không?
yes.
Yes. And why? Why do you know? Because
Because is
her hands
her hands
or his
uh
hands.
his hand the car.
Yes, very good. His hands is on the car. So this one, there is a print on the car, which is his hands. Very good. So now, teacher has another question for you, Dankwa. What do you wear in winter? What do you wear in winter?
Bạn mặc gì vào mùa đông?
Is a jacket.
Very good. I wear
Jacket.
jacket. Very good. And what what do you like to do when it's snowy? What do you like to do?
Bạn thích làm gì khi trời có tuyết?
Is um,
I like to. Do you play with snow?
play snow and friend.
Wow, very good. So let's read the sentence again. I like to.
I like to play snow with friends.
Very good. Good job. So next, let's go with the next sentence. Let's read this one.
The tree feels cool today.
Very good. The tree feels cold today. So let's have the question. So think, do you think the tree is cold? Yes or no, and why? So let's look.
Is
Bạn thấy cái cây đang lạnh không? Tại sao?
is yes, because tree is snow too with snow.
Very good. So the tree is what
Covered
covered?
with snow.
Very good. So as we can see in the picture, so there are a lot of snow in the tree. So the tree might be cold because in winter, so snow feels very, very, very cold. Okay. So have you ever touched a snow before, Dankwa? Have you?
Mm,
Bạn đã bao
so
giờ chạm vào tuyết chưa?
Yes or no?
no,
Oh no. Uh, is
me
there?
no, me is not 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 chỗ guy uh
Because have you already
New York. No, I don't go. I don't go USA and
oh oh
and and
is there a snow in Vietnam? Yes or no?
no Vietnam
Oh,
snow.
oh, okay. There is no snow in Vietnam. Is that correct?
No,
No. There is no
no,
no snow in
no
Vietnam.
snow, no snow in Vietnam.
That's why you still haven't touched a snow. Wow, I see. So thank you so much for expressing yourself. So next, let's read the next sentence.
The fancy feel cool today.
Very good. The fence feels cold today. So now, let's go with our question here. So let's take a look with these animals. What animals are these, Dangwa?
Boots.
These are
Well,
birds. Good job. Now, teacher has a question about the birds. Are the bird cold? Yes or no?
Con chim
yeah,
có bị lạnh không?
yes.
Yes. Yes. Why? Why are they cold?
First in the cool is snow.
Very good. The place has
It has
snow.
snow.
Very good. So take a look at the picture. So there is snow below the feet or foot of the birds. So now let's take a look at the fence. Okay. So what do we call this one?
The fancy
Fence. One more time. Let's say fence.
fence.
Very good. So these are fence. So now, what is there on the fence? What is there on the fence?
Trên hàng rào có gì vậy?
Boots, boots, and
There.
snow.
Very good. There is snow.
Boots and snow on the fancy
Yes, very good. There is snow and birds on the
fence.
fence. One more time, let's say fence.
Fence.
Okay, good job. So good job in this lesson, Dankwa. So we will end our lesson here because we do not have much time. So thank you so much for your participation in today's lesson and see you again soon. Bye
Good,
bye, Dankwa. So we will continue this lesson next time. Bye
goodbye.
bye.
Bye bye. Goodbye, teacher. See you again.
See you.